Yo, my man, I heard what happened, yeah? You got bare respected ends now, yeah? Even the oldest is rating you. Alright, my man.
I'm sorry, I should have spoken to you sooner. I didn't want you to follow in my footsteps, but when the time comes, I'd really like for us to see each other again. I want you to love me. You may not think that I do, but I still love
You fucking idiot. Do you understand that your choice don't just affect you? You know what? You're exactly where you belong. There's no way back now. The blood will always be on your hands.
You fucking idiot. You see what you've done? What? People like you, I'm not even surprised anymore with what's going on. What would your mother think? What would your brother think? What would your dad think? He wanted to run away because he knew what was going on. You fucking cunt. You fucking idiot. An innocent man. An innocent man.
You know what? You're exactly where you belong. There's no way back now. The blood will always be on your hands.
Alright, my man, stay safe.
before my relationship